This is Drew with thepodcastingstore.com, your one-stop shop for all things podcasting and remote learning.
So lately I've been doing a lot of videos over on the Boomer side of things using the Rode Wireless Go 2. The reason for that is I want to run the audio directly into the iPhone just for portability and simplicity's sake, but also because the wireless nature of it allows a lot of motion. We're doing beginner videos, for instance, putting them together and generating sound, standing, sitting, walking, that kind of stuff. So the mobility really matters. We don't want to be tripping over cables or worrying about where we can and can't walk to. So the problem that we've had with wireless systems going directly into a smartphone since we started trying to do this is monitoring the sound while you're recording. Now, typically when I'm using a unit like this, I'm recording a video solo, so it doesn't really matter as much because I don't like wearing headphones when I'm doing a video. I think it's a little visually distracting, and so I'll do a test video, set my levels, and then record. Well, when you're recording somebody else, you really want the ability to change on the fly, monitor the sound, and be able to make sure that the signal's coming through the way you want it to. So what you can do on the Rode Wireless Go 2 transmitter is you can come out through the 3.5 millimeter output, which is what I've been doing. So you use the included red cable, run that into a dongle, and then run that into your iPhone. The problem with this is that then the output that you can use to monitor through headphones is that same 3.5 millimeter output. So that really doesn't work because you're already using it. Well, a cool feature on the Rode Wireless Go 2 is this right here. That is a USB-C output, and you would typically use that for charging and things like that, but it has the added feature of you can use that as an audio output as well. So if we take one of the USB-C to USB cables that's included with the unit, plug that in like that, run that into a special adapter, which is a USB to Lightning adapter, and then plug that directly into the iPhone. Now the sound is running from the Rode Wireless Go 2 transmitter into the iPhone. So I've got the transmitter right here, and I'll clip that onto my shirt. And now we can use the 3.5 millimeter output and plug in the headphones. So I can put on the headphones and hear the sound live and monitor that when I'm recording somebody else. So really robust unit, great additional functionality that I had not been utilizing before, but I'll definitely be doing that in the future. It's one simple adapter, the USB to Lightning, and you can unlock the potential of this unit. So great little unit, still finding out more stuff about it through doing it, and I'll keep you apprised of anything additional that I find as we keep going down this journey.
If you're facing a unique problem with podcasting or remote learning, we can help. Reach out to us at thepodcastingstore.com and we'll see what solutions we can find for you. And if you like what you hear, do me a favor and tell a friend. Follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and sign up for our e-newsletter, and you'll never miss another podcast or video again. This is Drew with thepodcastingstore.com. Thank you for listening.